What's up, guys? So today I put right around 500 or so miles on this new Type R retrofit clutch, and I guess I will be doing my review on it and what I think about this clutch. Also, I guess I can do a pull or two. We'll see if traffic allows it. Alright, so right now the car's warming up, so we're just gonna drive it pretty easy for now. So what I think about this clutch, so I absolutely love this clutch. I have zero complaints about it. It's very light. I mean, I wouldn't say light. When I say very light, it's because I'm comparing it to aftermarket options where the pressure plate would be so heavy that your clutch pedal is actually very heavy as well. You know, very stiff clutch pedal. You're just gonna get a leg workout on one leg, so you'll have uneven legs, one buff left leg, basically. So the pedal is pretty light. If anything, it's probably just about a tad bit stiffer than the stock clutch. The engagement is very good as well. It doesn't chatter. I guess that's because it's an organic disc, and on top of that it's a sprung disc, so there's that. So it drives just like stock, but it doesn't grip like the stock clutch, the stock 1.5 clutch. So this clutch will be good for basically the power goals that I want to throw at the Civic in the future. I do know that E-Man is making just right around 500 wheel horsepower with this clutch, no problem. And I believe he's also doing flat foot shifting and all that. So I think this clutch will be good, because I am never gonna be anywhere close to what E-Man is making. So even if I do have a built engine, built trans, I'm probably still not gonna do as much. You know, I'm probably still not gonna be making as much as he's making, because he's also on port injection and a standalone ECU to control the port injection. So we'll see. I mean, I may be able to get port injection while using the stock ECU on Ktuner or Honda, but you need a separate device to control the port injectors, and I believe there's one called split second. So that's always another option, but for now I'm just gonna be on the stock direct injection system. I may upgrade to the direct injection system that E-Man offers, which he did tell me that offers about 25% more fuel. So I believe so that should put you around to the low middle, or if not the middle 400 wheel horsepower as far as your fuel limits go. You know, as long as your turbo allows it, basically. You know. So I believe if you have a GTX 2860R from TRL, you may get there. I'm not sure, probably not. By the time you probably get around 450, that turbo is probably spinning its guts out. I would say maybe a GTX 2867R would probably be a good choice if you want to hit 450. Oh man, the traffic. It's not crazy, but I seem to be running into every single red light. So right now the way the car sits right now, it's full bolt-ons. This includes a flex fuel kit on E30 flex fuel, a pure turbo stage 2, or otherwise known as the pure turbo, pure 450, and of course the Type R retrofit clutch as far as engine work goes. And actually, yes, also the E-Man's I guess custom clutch master cylinder. So that should help me prevent getting gear lockouts at fast shifting, high RPMs. So yeah, so far no trouble with this clutch. You know, I've beaten on the car. Doing flat foot shifting and everything, and it shifts fine. I don't get lockouts, and I'll show you in a bit. Green, let's go. Here, let's go ahead and start from first gear. So I do apologize because I'm gonna spin a lot, so let's do it. I do notice ever since I have gotten this clutch, when I flat foot shift from third to fourth, it makes a big difference. I feel like right when I flat foot shift from third gear red line, slam it into fourth gear, as soon as I let go of the clutch pedal, it feels like it jolted me forward by maybe like a car length. Like, it did not do that with the stock clutch. So that stock clutch might have been slipping, I guess, at that point. So that's probably why I did not notice that kind of jolt when I shifted to fourth, especially when flat foot shifting third. So yeah, right now it feels great. The clutch is amazing. It feels like it can throw anything, like it can just handle anything I throw at it. The whole engine and the transmission, that's a whole different story. So the clutch is handling it just fine. Who knows? Maybe the engine is on its way to blowing up, or the transmission. But hopefully we can get the transmission and engine built before that even happens. Because I don't really want to deal with the mess of a blown up engine. I say blown up because like, if you have a spun rod bearing, that's also considered a blown engine pretty much, but it's not really that much of a mess. It'll start knocking and you just don't drive it anymore. You get a blown up engine where you throw a rod out of the engine block. Your rod decides to install a window to your engine, and that gets pretty messy. You're gonna have oil everywhere. I mean, it might even ignite because of the oil. Who knows? Like, your engine bay could be on fire too. So alright, I just about got here at Starbucks, so I'll be signing off right now. So please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing more FK7 videos. I know a lot of the YouTube 10th gen guys, they do a lot of them do on the Type Rs or the SIs. so there's not really much base model content, especially base model 1.5T with a manual transmission. Yeah, so I'll try to get more content out, so please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a good day.